Lots believe Hindus are biased towards women by not allowing them to visit mandir during their menstrual cycle. But then, the same culture worships Ma Kamakhya during her menstruation time, during the divine days of Ambubachi. The menstrual beliefs of India are originally related to ancient science of Ayurveda. If we dig deeper, we will know that Western medicinal science is only about external problems. But Ayurveda, since it is 7,000 years old, deals with the energy source of life, or the prana. This old healing science understands the relation of human body with the nature, and is based on three primary life forces, called the doshas. These doshas are bioenergies that creates the physical and physiological aspects of the human body. According to Ayurveda, the female body is blessed with cycles of menstruation to cleanse the excess doshas. There is a built-up of energy during the days leading to starting of periods, as the body prepares itself for possible pregnancy. If pregnancy doesn't take place, the built-up energy, along with uterus lining and blood, gets dissipated from the body during menstruation. There are mainly three types of doshas. The Pitta dosha is responsible for metabolism, the Kapha dosha is the force of stability, and the Vata dosha is the moving force that works against gravity. During periodic cycles, Vata is the predominant dosha, responsible for downward flow of menstruation. Therefore, any activity that interferes with the necessary downward flow of energy should be avoided. When we enter a temple premise, the divine energy of the idol ignites the pranic energy and lifts it in upward direction, and this may confuse the downward flow of Vata dosha, increasing cramps and interrupted flow of blood. Other than this, there are certain temples that practices tantra. For instance, the Shani temple is built to channelize dominance, distress, depression, disease, and is a place of dangerous energies. Also, exorcism and other powerful occult practices also takes place in such temples. Male bodies are naturally trained to withstand occult practices. But, as female bodies are built for reproduction, they are more receptive to such dark energies, especially during pregnancy and menstruation cycles. So not entering a temple was never a question to equality, and the curb was created to protect the women. Menstruation was never considered as impure or threatening during ancient days. But due to lack of awareness, the science was transformed into a taboo to dominate women in spiritual customs.